All right. Well, car's been sitting for a little bit. I'm getting a later start on it than I wanted to. This winter's project is to get a motor swap done, and I really haven't started yet, and it's late January. So it's time to go ahead and get that started, and hopefully I can get it on the road by spring. So today, the agenda is to start tearing stuff apart, pull apart the drivetrain a little bit, empty all the fluids, and get the motor to start pulling. My cherry picker isn't here right now, so I got to get that. So I won't be actually pulling it today, but I'll be getting everything prepared. We'll see how far I can get. Last couple weekends, I'll probably throw some video up here, but I started cleaning out the garage and making room to get this project done. Got the cart kind of situated sideways in my garage, so I got space at the front to do the motor swap, and got it up on some jack stands. Fortunately, I don't have a lift, so we'll go ahead and get started and see how far we get today. The garage is still kind of messy, but it's a lot cleaner than it was when I started. C-beam's loose, drive shaft is out, exhaust is down. Need to pull the headers and the cats off, disconnect the shift linkage from up top, and loosen some motor mounts, and it should be just about ready to pull out. Got almost everything disconnected. It's about dinner time, so I'm calling it quits for the evening. I think the starter's still connected, and didn't disconnect the motor mounts, but other than that, it's all pretty much ready to go. So the next video should be me pulling the motor. So I'll have my hoist here, and I'll be pulling it. Thanks for watching.